We worked knee stretches kneeling round and arched. Now let's work knees off. So for knees off, just like the other ones, it's a stable pelvis and spine, but it doesn't rise up and down or move forward and back. You just move your legs away. So when you set yourself up, keep the balls of your feet a little away from the shoulder blocks, not into the shoulder blocks. You round your spine, and when you're first working on it, get your pelvis over your knees, so you're really far towards the foot bar. Yes, and then when you lift up, get your knees just higher than your heels, and dig your heels into the shoulder blocks. Keep your flexion as you reach, so you've got to really rotate your pelvis to get your posterior tilt. I dig into the shoulder blocks with my heels on the way out and on the way in. Now, as you get stronger and stronger in the exercise, you can bring yourself further back, but ultimately you start the exercise just an inch off of your heels here, and then you lift your body and knees up just higher than your heels. Dig into those heels. So I'm less forward, but notice that my hips are still lower than my shoulders. Watch out for your hips rising up, and then you're not really getting the exercise. So you've got to rotate that pelvis, work to stabilize your pelvis and spine, and dig in with those heels. Dig in with your heels on the way out and on the way in, and have a great time with your knee stretches.